In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to retouch and enhance skin using Adobe Lightroom Mobile. Hi, I'm Dre, mobile videographer, photographer, digital creative, and graphic designer. Now, there is just so much you can do with Adobe Lightroom Mobile, but if you want to have the studio quality like frequency separation, that's not going to be possible in Lightroom Mobile. But then you can go ahead to remove blemishes, you can go ahead to make the skin smoother, but there is just a certain level you can reach. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into it. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Now, let's get started. Open Lightroom Mobile and you load in the image you want to retouch. So right now we have this picture you can see right here, and we will do our basic skin retouching to it. So first off, I'm going to head over to this magic one. Wait for it to load. This step needs internet connection in the app. Now that it's loaded, I'm going to go over to retouch. It's detecting the retouchable areas. It's going to do its masking automatically on our image. So you have to be patient for some time. Now that it's loaded, you can see you have teeth, skin, and hair. Okay. Now she has a little bit of white teeth showing, so we'll select it and you can whiten it more. Now over to skin. Smooth, this is it at 50%. It has applied this smooth already, 50. You can increase it as much as you want. Let's leave it at 78. It's not as good as frequency separation on Photoshop. I said this earlier before. Now, it doesn't end there. So we head over to this eraser icon you see right here. You click on it and you're going to turn off this generative AI because we basically just want to remove blemishes. Zoom into where we have them. I can adjust the size, but I'll put it low and I tap on it. Make sure these detect objects and generative AI are all turned off. Now basically tap on the places where we have blemishes. Increase the size a little bit. It's like using a laser to pop out some of those things. Reduce the size and you basically just play around with it. Now this is me removing these ones that are too visible. So you have to manually do this throughout your pictures. Okay. Okay, now we have successfully taken out most of the blemishes, as you can see. Now let's look at the before, look at the after. That's not all, okay? Head over to our mask. The face is already selected right here. Under detail, I'm going to increase the sharpness a little bit. Let's take it to 23. Yeah, and then I'll turn down the noise. Only the face is selected, okay? Now, our image is looking better and better. Clarity is down, texture is down. Take down the texture again. Make it softer. And take down the clarity a little bit more. Good. Now look at our before and look at our after. This is how you skin retouch in Adobe Lightroom Mobile.